Let's come shopping with me at Louis Vuitton, which is located in Saks Fifth Avenue. We are getting there. Can you see it? I can see Nordstrom on the right. There are many stores in here, but today we are just going to Saks Fifth Avenue. Across the street is Lenox Square. There is also Louis Vuitton store, but they are just taking appointments. I haven't been to Phipps Plaza for 5 months. I'm not sure if the line at Louis Vuitton store gonna be long, and hopefully I will find some items on the wish list. Today we're gonna go into Louis Vuitton store in Saks Fifth here. They also have Chanel, Dior, Saint Laurent, many stores. Okay, now we have to wear masks coming in here. Masks are required beyond this point, over nose and mouth. So, here's Dior. Beautiful bags. You can see from outside. Wow. Beautiful. Look at Louis Vuitton, the line. No one is waiting at Dior. I thought it's so beautiful. Wow. Look at the line. How long we gonna have to wait here? Here's the YSL. Beautiful bags. And here is Valentino. Oh, so far I see only Louis Vuitton. There are a lot of people waiting. And here we come to Fendi. Beautiful bags. And here's Givenchy. Hand sanitizer is provided every corner at Saks Fifth Avenue. Okay, I just sanitize the phone. Alright, so this is Celine. None of the stores is crowded except Louis Vuitton. And here is Chanel. Well, very crowded. Here I am in the shoes area. Check out some shoes on sale, and maybe because it's been on sale for a while, so not many left in my size. So I'm just waiting to come into the Louis Vuitton store. And look at this area. Big area for shoes. I'm thinking about this one right here, or these. I don't know which one. They are comes with the bowl. So cute. while waiting to our turn, just taking some selfie with the new dress and the horse charm. One of the sales associates came out to ask us if she could grab anything and put on the side for us, but none of the items on my wish list is available. Okay, so we are getting there.
I'm going to give you all some hand sanitizer.
Thank you. So we should get hand sanitizer and wait for the next availability. Got in the store. Look at those. See if they have anything new. Okay, so none on the list that available here, so I only purchased one thing today, and that is one of the hard to get items. I'm happy. And they close at 7. Now it's 6:30. They don't take any more people in the store. I'm ready to pay now, and the store is closed. So something to take home today. I'm so happy with this little thing right here. It is not easy to get, but I found it at the store. So I'm so happy today. I didn't forget to take some selfie before leaving the store. We didn't know the store is closed at 7 today. Usually they close at 9 p.m. So we don't have any more time to go to other stores. We'll come back another day and definitely take you with us again. We are leaving Saks Fifth Avenue and the kids are getting hungry. It will take us some time to get there for dinner. It's gonna be a nice place with good food. Look at the rainbow. It is so beautiful. I never seen a whole rainbow like that before. Since it's raining, I have to have the Vietnamese traditional hat on instead of the umbrella. And this is how we are before we go into the restaurant. And look at this bag. I have my bag in this bag. Okay, so now let's go in and see how the restaurant is. This is our first time coming into the restaurant after like almost 5 months. Usually it is very crowded here, but today I don't see anyone. We going in right now. Okay. So this is how we getting into the restaurant. They have to do the temperature check and also the hand sanitizer here. So, yeah. So now we are ready to go in. We are settled at the table. We're gonna take the mask off soon. Look at this. We have all languages here. And the tables are very far apart, and they do the deep clean every table after and before every customer. So hungry already.
You want to take picture for you?
Yes, please. The foods are so good for a rainy evening. Although we could dine in at the restaurant, we didn't really feel as comfortable as before. And that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoy shopping with me and how we dine at the restaurant during this global pandemic. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video, which will be every week. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I'm looking forward to see you in my next video. Have a fabulous day and a beautiful life. Bye bye.